If you've started a 401k or are thinking about starting one, there's one question that almost everyone asks next. How much should I actually contribute? And usually this question brings stress. Some people worry they're contributing too little. Others worry they're contributing too much. And many people freeze because they think there's one perfect number they need to figure out. Let me say this clearly right from the start. There is no single perfect contribution amount that works for everyone, and that's actually good news. In this video, I'll help you understand how to choose the right contribution amount for you without pressure, guilt, or confusion. We'll keep this simple, practical, and realistic for everyday working life. Welcome to Money Science AR. Let's start by clearing up a big misconception. Many people think the right contribution amount is based on what experts say, what coworkers do, or what sounds impressive. But in real life, the best contribution amount is the one you can stick with consistently. Consistency beats perfection every time. So instead of asking, what's the maximum I can contribute? A better question is, what amount can I contribute comfortably and consistently? That shift alone removes a lot of stress. Now let's walk through this step by step. Step 1. Understand that starting small is not a mistake. One of the biggest reasons people delay contributing to their 401k is fear. They think if they can't contribute a large amount, it's not worth starting. That's simply not true. Starting small is not a failure. It's smart. If you're new to a 401k, contributing 3% to 5% of your paycheck is a very common and reasonable starting point. For many people, this amount feels manageable and doesn't disrupt daily life too much. Remember, the goal is not to strain your finances. The goal is to build a habit that runs quietly in the background. You can always increase later. You can't go back and recover time spent not contributing at all. Step 2. Look at your paycheck, not an ideal scenario. When deciding how much to contribute, don't base your decision on a perfect future version of your income. Base it on your current reality. Ask yourself, after paying essential bills, how tight does my paycheck feel? Would contributing this amount cause stress or panic? Can I still cover my needs comfortably? If the answer is no, lower the contribution. If the answer is yes, you're on the right track. Your 401k should support your life, not make it harder. Here's something many people don't talk about. When people choose an amount that feels uncomfortable, they often stop contributing altogether within a few months. They reduce it, pause it, or mentally resent it. That's not progress. A smaller amount that runs for years is far more powerful than a large amount that stops after a few months. Think long-term. This is not a sprint, it's a system. Some people think, if I can't do this perfectly, I won't do it at all. That mindset causes more financial damage than almost anything else. Your contribution amount doesn't need to be impressive. It needs to be sustainable. Even small contributions create momentum. Momentum builds confidence. Confidence leads to better decisions over time. One of the smartest strategies is to start with a comfortable contribution and increase it gradually. For example, start at 3% after a raise or bonus, increase to 4%, later move to 5%. This way, increases feel natural instead of painful. Many people never feel the increase because it happens alongside income growth. This gradual approach removes fear and makes long-term consistency easier. This is very important. Your coworker's contribution amount does not matter. Your friend's contribution amount does not matter. Online advice without context does not matter. Everyone has different incomes, expenses, responsibilities, and stress levels. Comparison leads to unnecessary pressure, and pressure leads to bad decisions. Your plan should fit your life, not someone else's highlight reel. Another reason people hesitate is the fear of being locked in. You are not locked in. Your 401k contribution can usually be changed. If life gets more expensive or income changes, you can adjust. Knowing this removes fear and encourages action. It's okay to change your contribution as your situation changes. That flexibility is built into the system. Instead of focusing on the exact percentage, focus on the habit you're building. The habit is consistent contributions, automatic saving, long-term thinking. Once the habit exists, optimizing numbers becomes much easier. Without the habit, numbers don't matter. Many people say, I'll contribute more later when I earn more. Sometimes that happens. Often it doesn't. Expenses rise, lifestyle adjusts, and later never comes. Starting now, even with a small amount, creates a foundation that future income can build on. Time is one of the most powerful factors in long-term financial security. Starting earlier gives your system more room to work. Your 401k contribution should not come at the expense of your present stability. If contributing too much causes you to rely on credit or stress constantly, it's not helping you. A balanced approach respects both your current needs, your future goals. Smart money management is about balance, not extremes. Once you choose your contribution amount, give it time. You don't need to revisit it every month. Reviewing once or twice a year is usually enough. During review, ask, does this still feel comfortable? Has my income changed? Can I increase slightly without stress? Small adjustments over time are powerful. Let's be very clear about this. The biggest mistake is not contributing too little. The biggest mistake is not contributing at all because you're unsure. Clarity beats delay. Action beats perfection. If you're unsure, start small. That's always better than waiting. If you want a simple method, here it is. Choose an amount that feels comfortable. Make sure it doesn't disrupt essentials. Commit to consistency. Plan to review later. That's it, you don't need to overthink this. Choosing a contribution amount isn't just a financial decision. It's a mindset decision. It says, I'm thinking ahead. I'm building systems. I'm choosing progress over perfection. That mindset carries into other areas of money management too. If fear is holding you back, remember this. You can change your contribution. You can adjust. You can learn as you go, but you can't benefit from something you never start. Let's quickly summarize everything. There's no perfect amount. Start small if needed. Comfort and consistency matter most. Increase gradually over time. Don't compare yourself to others. Review calmly, not obsessively. If you've been stuck on this question, I hope this video helped simplify it. If it did, consider liking the video and sharing it with someone who's also unsure about their 401k contribution. And make sure you're subscribed to Money Science AR, where we explain money clearly, calmly, and realistically, without pressure or confusion. In the next video, we'll break down the 401k employer match explained simply, what it really means, how it works, and why so many people misunderstand it. If your company offers a match, this is something you need to understand clearly. I'll see you in the next video on Money Science AR.